And here's some positive news, a reason to smile perhaps, something good that's happening in the world around you. It is known as the IT city for a reason. And living up to its name, Bangalore's RV Institute of Management has started a unique computer literacy program for senior citizens, started as part of their community program. The project has taught 18 batches in the last 7 years.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಭಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಎಂ.ಎನ್. ವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲನ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಬ್ರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೂರವರೇ, ಮಿತ್ರರಾದ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, very respected and distinguished members of the audience. This is something which is unbelievable in the present difficult times. This is a model which is perhaps a unique one. See how organized effort can culminate in such exciting results. To see all of you, very eminent people in your own walks of life, you have assembled here, the kind of synergy that is generated by this kind of association, the auspiciousness of the outcome, it is something amazing.